this is Nessa from Infinitely Zero's channel. Happy holidays if you celebrate Christmas, Merry Christmas, and Merry Yule, and a lot of the other holidays that are going on in this time of year. So I've been pretty busy with the holidays. I had some downtime today and went for a nice walk. So I actually ended up ordering some ice yarn, and that's what this video is about today, and was able to use their Big 12 sale that they were having going on. Wasn't sure whether to do this video or not, but then I finally decided last minute, let's do it real quick and go over some of the items with you guys. And I added some new yarns to me that I haven't purchased from them before. So yeah, so let's dig in. And so I ordered the anti-pilling magic yarn, which is this one. I think this was the colorway, like a blue, tan, gray, cream, white. It's really nice and soft. It's about how thick it is. They categorize it as a DK light weight 3 yarn, 100 grams, 280 meters. It's 100% anti-pilling acrylic. And let's give you what the number is. So I tried to unpack some of these so there would be less crinkling for you guys. So that's the number. You put it on their site if you want to order. It's 79952, and it even gives you that same colorway. And it's the anti-pilling magic BL, I think blue. Also, I wanted to mention, this is a bandana from Darn Good Yarns. From that bundle I had shown in one of the shorts, the bandana came for free. They had forgotten to ship it, and I contacted their customer support, mentioning, hey, I never got the bandana, and they went ahead and fixed it right away and shipped it to me. So that was really cool. So, and I thought it was really pretty. So I was like, oh my gosh, this is so me. So I decided to put it on today. And I have my Nightmare Before Christmas shirt on, even though now it's Christmas, but still applies. So yeah, so I ordered this one, which I had seen in some videos from the Secret Yarnery and somewhere else. It's called Harmony. No, I'm sorry. This one's called Magic Spray, and it's 100 grams or 185 meters, 100% premium acrylic. They categorize it as a worsted 4, and recommend 5 to 6 millimeter knitting needles, US 8 says 10 or something. I don't know. Machine washable. It seems like just lay flat to dry. So really pretty colors. It's like an orange, this is like a grayish color. Looks more gray in person, like a brownish, kind of sort of like a washed out color. So that's what those look like. And that's number 77567, Magic Spray. And this is what some of the other ones look like in that package, and it comes to a bag. And Ice Yarns, all of these are made in Turkey and shipped from there. Shipped really quick, like I get it in 3 days. Their shipping is super expensive, but if you buy more and you buy enough, it actually makes it very worth it. So with this purchase, I calculated it came out to, I paid $1.75 per skein or ball of yarn. Great deal. And that was even calculating with the shipping cost. I grabbed the total cost of all of it and then divided by the number of skeins to figure out that cost. Some of the things were a bit pricier, like the anti-pilling yarn and the cakes DK yarn. So I got these two balls. They were it's very similar to mandala, mandala from Lion Brand. So this is the Cakes DK Brown Camel number 77667, and it's 100% acrylic yarn. It's a DK3 lightweight, and 150 grams, 540 meters, 100% premium acrylic, and they recommend 4mm US 6 size knitting needles, and again a light 3 DK. So that's that info there. Next, I was able to get some of the highly coveted Picasso yarn in the rainbow that Crystal from Bag O' Day uses for a lot of her tutorials. This one's actually pretty hard to find because a lot of people end up buying it and then reselling it on Amazon for a lot more money. Yeah. So I decided to buy a few bags of this. And this is the lighter color, the lighter rainbow colorway, and it's categorized as a 4. It's a little, I don't know if you can see it has like a little halo. It's a little furry, but it works up beautifully. It's 44% acrylic, 56% polyester, 115 meters per ball. They categorize it as a category 4 weight worseted, and it's 5mm US 8 knitting needles. And this one is 64626, that rainbow color. And it's a pack of 8. So you see the pack. And then I like the darker one as well, which is 64627. This one they do seem to have a bit more in stock once in a while. And the specs are the same, but look at just how beautiful the colors are. I feel like they're richer colors and less orange in this one. And if you put it next to the other one, you can compare both colors if that's helpful for you. And I've used some of their other colors of this in like the purple, blue, black. Comes out beautifully. I made a hat in that. I think I showed it here on the channel. And I have some black and white of it and some other purple one. Can't wait to use those. So that'll be really exciting. So not sure yet if I'm going to do kind of like a stained glass window sort of Afghan with this or not, or what I'm going to make with it. And then I saw that they had this cool yarn which I want to try out. It reminds me of the Lion Brand Mandala Tweed, which is now discontinued, but I love that yarn. So this is actually the Harmony. This is the blue shades. I don't know why they split my pack. It's like a 4-pack, but they split it. So yeah, so it's kind of tweedy marled like that with the blue and the greens and the browns and the gray. It's just lovely and nice and soft. All of these are pretty soft. The anti-pilling one is really soft. I would compare it to a little softer than Karen's Simply Soft, if you know that yarn. And this Harmony yarn is 100% premium acrylic, 100 grams, 160 meters. They categorize it as a worsted 4, and I would agree with that. It's pretty nice thickness of it. I would say about maybe the thickness of like Red Heart Super Saver, maybe a little thicker. And they recommend 5 to 6mm knitting needles, US 8, 10. Yeah, called Harmony, made in Turkey, and again, just seems like machine wash. They dry to flat, doesn't have a drying symbol there. And the number is this one, 61105. Harmony blue shades. So yeah, I can't wait to use that. This one was a bit pricier, but not that bad for the 4-pack. And then there was this one that was promotional. Let me see if I can see the price for it of what I paid. So these were the Monaco. I got the green shades, jeans blue, the blue, yellow, white salmon, and Monaco navy blue shades, and a pack of them. Five, 6, 7, 8, which is a pack of 8, comes out to $4.39. So yeah, so these were on sale. Let me give you real quick how much these cost per ball. So these are machine wash. Yeah, the promotion is they're at 50 cents per the ball. So a 1 pack, which is 8 items, is $3.99. They may have gone down a little more in price from when I bought them. Anyways, they're not very soft. It's kind of on the scratchier side. I would compare it to feels like Red Heart Super Saver. Maybe a little scratchier than that, or about that. It's a good thickness though, and the texture's kind of interesting. I don't know if it doesn't smell bad. I don't know if it would soften up with the wash. And it has here machine wash. It doesn't say anything about drying, and it says it's a 4-weight, 50 grams, 60 meters per the ball, and it's 50% acrylic, 50% polyamide. Again, this is like their blue, green, yellow one. It's called Monaco jeans blue, green. This one is number 60444, and it comes in this sort of pack. I got the white and blue, number 60442, and that's what it looks like out of the pack. So it's kind of pretty. It has like a light blue, a darker blue, a denim blue, and a white. And then there was this yellow, blue, orange. Oops, sorry. And all these are the same specs for all of them. So I thought that was quite interesting. I was kind of hoping this wouldn't be this rough. I'll have to test it and see how it works up and how it washes. So that's how the pack comes, and this one's that number 60446. So if you don't mind that it's not very soft, you give it a try. I mean, it's not bad for 50 cents a ball of yarn. So yeah, so that's all I wanted to show for now. I hope everyone's having a good time with these holidays and not too stressed out. I'm still trying to finish up a present. I'm kind of behind, and I'm working on a testing pattern, and I'm behind on that. This is what I'm currently working on, my own Tunisian crochet pattern for a scarf. And this is actually some yarn from Hirschner's, which is this one, the Sundown Sweets. There we go. And actually, I had gotten this from, I didn't order it, I had gotten it from a mystery box, and this is the colorway Green Apple. And it's 100% acrylic, 164 yards, 150 meters, category 4, but it's a little on the thicker side, and I'm using a 9mm hook. And this is Tunisian full stitch, and that's the reverse side. And that's the front side, but it makes a nice, cozy, squishy fabric. And I had gotten this from a Bag O' Day mystery box, so thank you, Crystal. Very glad. I was like, let's use it. I hope I have enough to make a scarf with this. So yeah, I'm hoping to finish that soon and be able to mail it off for the present. Okay, guys. Thanks. See you soon. If you like my content, please click like and subscribe, and take care. Bye.